How to fix Google Chrome not opening. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix your Google Chrome not opening. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So if you want to fix your Google Chrome not opening, and if you've been facing this issue quite a long time, this is what you can do. First of all, a really simple fix is simply restarting your PC. You can always press Alt F4 and there you'll get options to restart your PC. Simply tap on OK and restart it. Restarting your PC should fix the problem. If that does not fix your problem and you don't want to restart your PC, you can simply close your Google Chrome from your task manager. So head over to your taskbar right here at the bottom, right click there, and there you'll see Task Manager. Tap on Task Manager, and after you do that, right here you'll find Apps section where you can find Google Chrome. And after you do that, simply press on Google Chrome, right click on it, and tap on End Task. After you end task for Google, anything that is running on Google or anything that is running in Google, everything will just shut down. After that, you can go ahead and then simply open up your Google again. And doing that should fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye.